Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. The Caloosa-hatchee River is a fundamental reason Fort Myers exists. Long before the first brick was laid or the first street was paved, this wide winding waterway was the primary highway for the region. For centuries, it served the Calusa Indians, who navigated its currents in dugout canoes, building a powerful civilization based on the riches of the estuary. Later, it became the lifeblood for early pioneers and steamboat captains who brought the essential supplies, mail, and new residents needed to carve a settlement out of the Florida wilderness. The historic riverfront was the city's original gateway, a bustling, salt-aired edge where the commerce of the frontier met the water. In the late 19th and 20th century, this riverfront looked very different than it does today. It was a place of heavy industry and essential labor, lined with sturdy wooden docks, bustling warehouses, and packing houses. This was the departure point for the local cattle and the citrus industries, where steamships would load up local goods to be transported to markets across the Gulf of Mexico. The river was a working resource, a connection to the global economy that allowed a remote outpost to survive and eventually thrive. As Fort Myers matured and entered the mid-20th century, the city's relationship with the river began to shift from pure industry to leisure, aesthetics, and community life. Major engineering projects, including the dredging of the river and the construction of permanent seawalls, transformed the once swampy, unpredictable edges into the scenic, structured vistas that define the city today. This transition from a working waterfront to a recreational paradise mirrors the broader evolution of Florida itself, moving from a land of raw extraction to a destination of beauty and relaxation. Today, the historic riverfront remains a vital piece of connection. It serves as a natural border that provides both a sense of deep tranquility and a constant reminder of the raw, untamed Florida that the original explorers encountered when they first navigated these waters. The modern parks and walkways along the bank allows people to engage with the river in a way that early settlers never could, offering a space for reflection on how much the city has changed. Yet, even with the modern skyline behind it, the riverfront still carries the echoes of the steamboat whistles and the heavy crates of the past. It is the steady, rhythmic heart of Fort Myers, a place where the city's history and its future flow together towards the sea.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.